Okay, today's lesson is going to look at improper fractions. Now, the other video talked about mixed fractions, so let's use some similar examples, and this way we can see what the difference is between a mixed fraction and an improper fraction. So in the other video, there was an example of 2 1/3. So let's draw this out again. Remember, it looked like this. And 2 1/3 simply meant that we were using up 2 wholes and 1/3 of another one. So with an improper fraction, the denominator here would stay the same. So the denominator here is 3. However, where this is kind of tricky for some people, is that we have to look at all the pieces that were used. So in this case, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces used. So the improper fraction would look like this: 7/3, or in this case, we would say 7/3. Let's do another example here. I will draw out quarters. Okay. Let's draw this many holes. So once again, your denominator is 4. So let's shade in, let's see here. Let's shade in. Okay, so now if we count how many we have shaded in, you will see that over here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 total. So there's 13 total pieces. Now this is what you would call the improper fraction. It's when the numerator is larger than the denominator. Usually it's the opposite way. So how can we figure out improper fractions and mixed fractions? Well, here's a little trick for you. Pretty sure some of you know it, but here we go. We have 3 wholes, 1, 2, 3, are being used here. And then there's a quarter of the last one. Here is the trick. So we'll do 3 and 1/4. Okay, here is the little trick to get this number here. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the denominator, you're going to multiply it by the whole number. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. And then the second step will be taking the answer, 12, adding it to 1, to the numerator. And that gives you 13. This will work for every example. So let's go back to the original one. We have 7/3 is equivalent to 2 1/3. So let's rewrite 2 1/3. Okay. First step was to take denominator, multiply it by the whole number. 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. And then the last step was to take that answer and add it to the numerator, which gives us an answer of 7. So 7/3. And this is how you can find out mixed fractions from improper fractions. The other way to do it is if you have 7/3 and you would like to find out what the mixed number is, if you divide 3 into 7, so basically 3 times a number is equal to close to 7, not exactly 7, well, we know that number is 2. We know that 3 times 2 is 6, and to get from 6 to 7, you need 1. So 6 plus 1 equals 7. So you have 2 1/3. Denominator always stays the same. This little trick here, little trickier than the other one. So I highly recommend that you do this, and you will always get your answer. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.